man, it's got the fridge in the back, the tables. Yeah, this is my new car. With that right there on top. These lights here. So why are you selling it?
I don't have no room. Do you see the skillet up there?
The
black
Escalade?
skillet? Yeah,
The
we
black
just bought it.
Escalade?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We just bought it.
Wow.
Sorry, mate.
Oh, that's okay. This is the fridge.
Yeah, the fridge.
Yeah. Wow.
Look at it. I think if I have the keys.
Yeah, I'm buying this one.
See, I think we got one. Only love I ever felt from my mama. It's my promise, my rest. Please let me race. Cash out, big bitch from the west side. Cash out, no,
There we go.
I've been turning up for my city.
Cherry production.
Turning up for my city.
The soft phone? Yeah.
All the nuts, bitch, come and do it.
Oh, I did it too hard.
Just like. Sure.
Yeah, just slowly.
Like this. You can lower it.
Yeah.
higher if you
Yeah.
want.
Wow.
All my friends, they love me.
Yeah. So I see some damage. I see some damage. So I see a little bit of.
Oh, that one? I ordered it from the dealer.
Yeah. So what happened here? There was an
Can you
impact?
get in the car? Can you get in the
Yeah.
The camera in the back. There. Press it. Now the camera next to it. Right.
The 360?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean the night vision?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know the night vision. Yeah, I know how it works. Trust me, I did homework on this car.
I put it in for you, I spin for you, whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga, I'm rockin', wish I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little kids. I been spinning on business, spinning until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, he never step or help when none of you killers. You doing a lot of cap, watch when I catch him away.
My new car.
Damn, I knew you trippin', we could've been superstars. Remember when we were jacking cars?
Yeah, brother, we're gonna party together.
Okay. Let's go.
Oh yeah, that one, it goes all the way. It has the footrest, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Man. Brother, we're gonna do it this week, okay?
Okay.
Monday, Tuesday, yeah, we'll do it this week. Tomorrow I'll know for sure. If nothing happens, if anything, I'll just give you cash. It's whatever.
No problem.
Yeah. You have Chase Bank?
I have Bank of America.
Bank of America. You want wire transfer or you want cash?
Cash better.
You want cash better for you?
See
Okay.
how the seats flip?
Yeah. Yeah.
And you see the mat?
Yeah. The pillow. Goodness.
Sorry, man, it's so dirty. My socks everywhere.
Bro,
my underwear.
I don't care.
I'm having fun with this car, so
Don't worry.
I clean it up for you before.
Don't worry.
Oh, watch out with your doors, man.
What's that? Oh yeah, that's right. That was too hard. Because even where you pull it slowly, it just comes all the way in. I already have a garage space for it.
Oh, nice. Have fun, man.
Yeah. My goodness.
Okay. Man, you saw me, I was walking out from outside.
Yeah.
I have someone here waiting for me. I'm so sorry.
Okay, no worries.
I have to go.
Okay, no
because
worries.
they weren't at Starbucks.
Okay.